generations, we told ourselves the future was something that would happen to us. But then, we learned something our ancestors never dared believe. We can decide our future. The work is not done. Climate, disease, hunger, separation. The challenges ahead are too grand for any one of us. But when exponential technologies come together, there is no challenge we cannot face. Join us at Singularity South Africa Summit and ignite Africa's future.